Before I show you guys what I look like, I have to warn you, it's bad. Oh my god. Hold on, let me stand up and show you guys real quick. This is my current state. I've been wearing PJs and bed rotting for the last 4 days, and it's been awesome. Do I feel good about the way I look though? Not so much. I looked at myself in the mirror today and I actually was like, ah! But the state that my hair is in right now is actually crazy. I'm scared I won't even be able to get all these knots out because, like, look at that hair. Holy cow. And look at my eyebrows right now. They are overgrown. And look at my mustache. I feel like it's time for me to remind myself that if I wanted to, I could. So I think it's time for me to transform into a baddie. I'm going out tonight, and so I need to transform into a baddie in a couple of hours. Today, I'm going to turn myself from this to this in just under a few hours. I think I'm going to start off with doing my eyebrows. I'm going to thread my eyebrows just because I feel like it gives me a cleaner look, and then I'm going to go in with tweezers after. I already got watery eyes. I go into detail with like a tweezer. Okay, I finished my eyebrows. I feel like overall they look pretty nice. But now I'm gonna do my mustache. Ooh, that was so good. Ooh. Now that I've done my eyebrows and did my mustache, I'm going to go hit the shower. I just finished my shower, and so now I'm just gonna prep my skin for my makeup later on. I'm gonna use some toner. I have like really dry skin, so having a good skincare routine has really helped me. Some moisturizer. Now onto my hair routine. I'm gonna start off with some leave-in conditioner by Not Your Mother's, and I'm just gonna spray it in all over. I actually really like this leave-in conditioner because it's super light and it doesn't weigh down my hair. Next I go in with Miss Jessie's Multicultural Curls Curl Cream, and then I just do a little bit. This is for my whole head. I'm gonna rake it through. I'm just gonna quickly section off my head and then just brush through. That's a good sound. Go in with Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curl. Love this gel. Praying hands. Scratch. I don't have money to go to the salon, so I'm gonna paint my nails. I was running late, so I went straight into makeup, and so I start off with doing my eyebrows using the Benefit Brow Pencil, and then I cover up some of my red spots with this color correcting palette, and then I go in with some concealer under my under eyes and at my cheeks and a little bit under my eyebrow just to highlight them. And then, I just gotta blend everything out and make sure everything is good. And then I go in with the Patrick Ta contour palette and just give myself some color in my cheeks and in my eyelid and a little bit on the forehead, the powder part, and just really set everything on my face. And then I started doing my nose contour, and I don't know if I like it yet, but it's something. Like, it's cute. And then I go in with the e.l.f. blush, liquid blush, and I just add the tiniest little dot to both sides. And then I blend it out, and look, it's so pigmented, and just that little amount leaves like the perfect blush amount, I think. And then here I am using my favorite mascara ever. It's the Kill Lash Mascara by Clio. It's the only mascara that stays on my eyelashes and keeps my eyelashes curled. And then I go in with some eyeliner and just add a tiny little wing to the end and connect it to my bottom waterline, and boom, it just adds a little flare to my eyelashes. And then I add a little bit of highlight to my nose and on the under part of my eyebrows and kind of just blend that out. Favorite lip gloss from Revlon. I don't really know what color it is because it rubbed off, but here it is. And then I add some moles just to add some, I don't know, just add something. And bam, nails done, makeup done, so cute. So I'm done with my makeup, I'm done with my hair. I think it looks pretty snazzy. I was not feeling contacts today. I think I'm just gonna wear glasses. I have 30 minutes before I have to go. I think the glow up is starting to look pretty solid. I took a nap when my hair was wet, so my curls aren't that curly, but I think it still looks pretty good. Now I gotta choose an outfit that screams baddie, dangerous, going out on the town. But I don't know. I don't think I have any of those types of clothes. Do I go for a cute baggy jean look or a skirt? I feel like I might go with jeans because I'm not in the mood. Like, these jeans are cute and baggy. They have these like little strings, and they have them on the butt too. Okay, these are what the jeans look like. Very cute. Got the little, and then the butt. Now I just gotta find a top. Ooh, low-key, this might be cute. Hey, I just put on a bodysuit to snatch me a little bit. Let me put this shirt on real quick. I don't even know how to put this on. Okay, I think this top is pretty cute. Little snatch moment. Slay. Let's see if this necklace works. I like the gold chain moment. It's nice and thick and it looks like a little choker. And now I just need like a longer necklace. Here is all my jewelry. I don't know if you can see, like, dude. This is all my jewelry, and same with like rings and stuff. I got my plant here is in the way. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with this necklace. I've been loving this necklace lately. But that dangle between with the thick chain, I think that's pretty cute. These two bracelets are a must for me. They're my two gold bangles. Designs on the side of them, so cute. I've been obsessed with them ever since I got them. My mom gave them to me. That's two. Like, look how cute that is. I honestly might do a watch. Okay, perfect. The jewelry is on. My sister got me these earrings. Oh, that's so cute. I've been wanting to have that hoop set. Like, look. So cute. And now rings. That's all I need. And then I'm done. And then I'll show you guys the whole fit. I'm gonna go with this chunky ring right here. And then this stack of 3 rings. Look how cool that design is. The thick jewelry statement pieces that are kind of like unique looking. And I think I'm gonna go with this pearl and gold ring that I have. And just like keep it like that. I think 4 rings is good. This is what I look like with the glasses. I can't tell if the glasses like block the makeup, but I would like to see. This is the outfit. Cute baggy jeans with the little thing on the back. Jewelry. Cute baddie makeup. Okay, I gotta go. Bye.